Welcome to this tutorial. I'm solving a question from October-November exam series of 2015. This is question number 8 of paper 2-2 of GCSE O Level Physics. The question says a spotlight in a television studio is at full brightness. The lamp inside the spotlight is powered by 230 volts supply and the current in the filament of the lamp is 27 amperes. Calculate the power of the lamp. So power could be calculated using the formula VI. Voltage is given to us as 230 and the current is 27. So the answer is 6210 watt. So the answer for the power is 6210 or 6.21 kilowatts. The spotlight is kept switched on at full brightness. Calculate the energy transformed by the lamp in 30 minutes. So for energy, we would use the formula energy is equal to power multiplied by time. The power was 6210 and time is 30 minutes, which is to be converted into seconds. So the answer is 1.1 into 10 raised to 7 joules. So the energy transformed is 1.1 10 raised to 7 joules. The next part says the cost of using 1 kilowatt hour of electricity is 23 cents. So this is the cost of 1 unit of electricity. Calculate the cost of using the spotlight for 30 minutes. So for calculating the cost, we would use electrical energy and it should be in kilowatt hours multiplied by the cost of a unit. So electrical energy could be found when we take the value of power divided by 1000 so that it is converted into kilowatts, multiply it with the time, which is 30 minutes, and it is to be converted into hours, so it would be divided by 60. Now this expression gives us the electrical energy in kilowatt hours because watt is converted into kilowatt when we divide it by 1000 and time in minutes is converted into hours when we divide it by 60. And now I'm using the value of 1 unit's cost. So the answer is 71.3 cents, which could be written as 71 cents. So the question ends here with this part.
We try to explain complex concepts in simple language and with effective examples. If you liked the video and the way we explain the subject, consider liking this tutorial, commenting on it and subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you stay updated and get notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching.